Did you see the storm last night?
No. What time was that?
It started at about 7 o'clock, when I was doing my homework.
I didn't hear it.
Really? What were you doing?
I was with some friends. We were playing music.
Look and listen. What were you doing when the storm started?
I was doing my homework when the storm started. They were playing music when the storm started.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. What were they doing when their mum came home? That's right. They were eating when their mum came home. Look at the boy. What was he doing when he fell? That's right. He was skateboarding when he fell. What were you doing at 8 o'clock this morning? Well done!
Yay!
Diggory bones, he works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Diggory bones, he works under rocks and stones.
Give me the baloney stone, you...
You can have the stone back when you help me to get what I want.
That group of stars is called the Canis Major, which means the big dog.
And the brightest star on the dog's nose is called Sirius.
What's the date today, Emily?
The 21st of July. Why?
Today is the beginning of the ancient Egyptian year. There's the cave over there.
Night's falling and a storm's coming. It's going to be very dark.
Is it too dangerous for you, Bones?
No, I understand these places better than you, Brutus. I'm not afraid. In the ancient Egyptian calendar, Sirius showed the opening of the new year.
Today, it's going to show us the opening of the secret cave. It's really hot down here.
When we were looking at the stars, I remembered the terrible disaster.
A volcanic eruption destroyed ancient Alexandria, and then a tsunami covered the city with water.
We're walking